got a nice angle. We got a good one. Hopefully the fucking wind don't push over the tripod and fuck up the shot. That'd be fucked up if it fuck up my shot. It fuck up my motherfucking shot, nigga. Lovely. I don't want the thing to fall. It look like it's about to fall. Let me make sure it's right. You know what I'm saying? We have to make sure we good. We don't want no mistakes. There we go. So we straight, but we had a good time. Last couple episodes been dope. I'm gonna be taking and going to different locations. We're reaching a higher volume of people. Like I said, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel.